might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top.
Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well today guys I'm really excited to share my Tkmaxx Australia Halloween haul. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I haven't visited a Tkmaxx in forever and I was so excited when I went in store guys and they had the most beautiful blush pink Halloween decor. Now when it comes to Halloween, you know your girl Chelle loves to decorate in blush pink. So when I seen these most adorable items, I just could not resist. Now I'm definitely not one that does the scary type of Halloween guys, and I really wanted to make Halloween pretty at Chelle's Glam Home. So I was really excited guys when all these cute and adorable blush pink items were in store.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming.
Now Tkmaxx had the most adorable dish towels guys. I really loved this neutral one and I also picked up the blush pink.
So I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me.
Now something that I definitely could not walk away from guys was these beautiful checkered pumpkin platters. Now also in the checkered print, I fell in love with this beautiful checkered print ghost throw.
Gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Now I'm actually going to steam clean this guys because it was a little creased up in the bag, but I also absolutely fell in love with this beautiful pumpkin in the checkered print.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love.
Now you know your girl Chelle just can't walk away from an adorable Tkmaxx cushion, and I love this cushion so much guys. I got it in the neutral as well as the blush pink.
So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry.
There were so many adorable blush pink items, guys, and my mind was racing on how I can decorate Chelle's Glam Home in the blush pink and make it pretty.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest
So guys, over the weekend I'm planning on doing a decorate with me in blush pink for Halloween. So hopefully that video will be yours next Wednesday at Australian Eastern Standard Time of 8 a.m. Now I also picked up these beautiful rattan looking pumpkins. I love the rattan look at the moment and I was really drawn to these.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
Now I have a wonderful idea in mind for these pumpkins, guys, that I'm going to add something to. So stay tuned for that.
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the
Now guys, behind the scenes I've been working on a very special project that I can't wait to share with you all soon, and I was looking for a finishing touch to what I've been working on, and this rug just stole my heart. It's a neutral leopard print rug at Tkmaxx, and I can't wait to share that with you very soon.
things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love.
I also picked up this absolutely stunning pumpkin wreath. Now I absolutely love, guys, that it was cream in colour. I actually have the navy blue one from last year and I was really hoping to find a neutral one, and I just love this so much. So guys, leave me a comment down below which was your favourite item that I picked up. Now I've mentioned before, guys, that only probably in the last 5 years have we really started to get into the Halloween spirit here in Australia. Mainly because, guys, it just wasn't available to us. 10 years ago, it was impossible to find a pumpkin in stores. So that's just an example of how things have changed and evolved, and we're starting to get some beautiful decor, just like my overseas friends. So guys, I can't wait to share my next video with you. If you are a lover of blush pink, I have heard your calls, guys. I know there's so many of my beautiful friends out there that love the colour blush pink. So I'm going to do my absolute best to make all things pretty here at Chelle's Glam Home for Halloween, and that video will come next week. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed unpacking my Tkmaxx Halloween haul for 2024. Don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.